Hello techies. In this tutorial, we will learn about label detection action which is available under Google Vision Actions. This action can be performed by using Cloud Vision API. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. By using label detection action, we can detect and extract information about the entities in an image across a broad group of categories. Label detection feature can identify general objects, locations, activities, animal species, products, and many more. And also, image labels are a way to help categorize the content of an image. For an example, if I have an image of a car or person and a dog, the label detection will attempt to identify those objects. Alright, now if you see this label detection will invokes the Google Cloud Vision service named label detection. Now if you see the parameters over here, the first parameter is the API key. This API key is used to call the Cloud Vision API. The second one providing image over here. So to identify the labels which are there in the particular image, we are going to provide the image from file or from GCS. GCS stands for Google Cloud Storage. All right. Now I'm going to select from file and the image file. We need to give the full path of the image. All right. Now the timeout, if you see in the advanced, we are having timeout. This is the time in seconds which we are going to tell to our agent that we should have to wait for a connection to be established with the server. Alright, the default timeout is 30 seconds. Now, if you see over here, I'm having variable produce. Once the output has came, we'll get it in the JSON format. This is the structured text-based format for representing the data. Alright. Now, if you see the status code, we'll get status code for the success as 200. If there is any bad request response, then we'll get it as 400. All right. Now, before going to run this flow, I will show you a small image over here. I'm the biggest fan of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, so that I'm going to take his image over here. And if you see, I'm having over here in such a way, I'm having his face, and if you see the smile, I have the nose and the eyes, eyebrows, and you can see his hairs. These are all the entities which I need to extract by using label detection. How can I go ahead and do that? There, I'm going back to my label detection. First of all, I'm going to provide the API key. From where I can provide the API key? In our previous session, that is Vision Action, I have created a new API key for the Cloud Vision. Let me go back to Google Cloud Platform. There you can see I'm having Vision API, which I have created by using APIs and services. All right, let me go ahead, let me copy the API key. And then I'm going to provide this API key over here in this label detection. All right, now the image file. I'm going to select the image file over here, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I have stored that image on my local, that is Power Automate desktop, with the folder name label detection. And you can see I'm going to select APJ Abdul Kalam image, and then I'm going to click on open. Now the response will get it as JSON response, right? The values, the data will be stored in the JSON response, and the status code will be stored in the status code flow variables. All right, let me click on save. Now we'll see what kind of output or the JSON response we will get it from the Cloud Vision API whenever we are going to work with label detection action. To see the output, let's run the flow. Flow execution started, and you can see the flow variables. I got JSON response as well as status code as 200. 200 is nothing but the request has been successfully processed. All right, now if you see the JSON response, let's click on that. Now the JSON response is the custom object where you will get all the responses. Let's click on more. Now you can see label annotations. All the related information related to the labels, we'll get it over here. You can see over here the description is smile and the score is 0.98. To know more about this, let's click on more. There you can see there's a lot of annotations that I have. It is going to give in such a way, you can see the mid and after the description and the score, and you can see topicality. These are the things that what we have in these label annotations. First one, you can see smile and the score is 0.98. Let me keep the image as well as the label annotation side by side so that we'll get a clear idea about this label detection. All right. Now, if you see in this image, we're having smiley face, right? So that you can get the smile over here description and the score is 0.98223 is the value and topicality is the same. And you can see the description eyebrow. Here we are having the eyebrows and the score is 0.93 and so on. And the description you are having neck and the score you are going to get it 0.88 and in the same way we are having sleeves, gesture, happy score and the white collar worker. Okay, there you can see here a small white color and the winkle and the jewelry. These are all the informations which we got it by using label detection. Along with that, if you go inside the more, that's the same details that we have made and the description and the score that what you have. All right, I will take some more image over here to make you understand. If you see, I'm having logo over here as Google Cloud. I'm going to use that one. So what kind of output will get it over here whenever I'm going to run my label detection action. All right, let me go back to Power Automate desktop and I'm going to change the image file path over here. That is the file. I'm going to select the same path, that is Power Automate desktop label detection. There I'm going to use the logo. All right. This is the Google Cloud Platform logo, so that I'm going to select that and then I'm going to click on open. Now let's click on save. And once again, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And it has been given the output successfully. Now, when you click on the JSON response, and if you see over here, the label annotations, you can get all the details in such a way, like you can see the description font and the score is 0.78 and the description is electrical blue. And you can see it has been identified as a logo also, that is 0.7. And you can see the graphics, you can see the brand, symbol, trademark and whatnot. You will get all this kind of information by using label detection action. I hope you understand how to work with label detection action to detect and extract the information about the entities in a particular image by using label detection action. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.